Okay, let's kick off this one, shall we? So I've got a bag of frozen veg, always good for kind of cheap kind of cooking, you know. So 2 cups of the frozen veg, 2 cups of onion, and 3 cups of cooked rice. I'm using a basmati rice, and I always say to you guys, the next day is better to use the rice. Once it's been in the fridge overnight, it's really good. Simple frying pan, little bit of oil of your choice, that's entirely up to you. Let's drop in the onion, and we're going to cook that for around 3 or 4 minutes. And with the frozen veg, because it was frozen, what I'd done is I just rinsed it through in a little bit of warm water, drained it off. Let's get that in now. We're going to go with a little bit of salt and pepper. I think I'm putting a little bit more pepper than salt in. And then what we're going to do is we're going to add a spice of your choice. I'm using smoked paprika, but if you want, put a little bit of curry powder in maybe, or some cumin or something like that. So we're going to stir that, and we're going to again cook that for 3 to 4 minutes. By the way, we're on a slightly above medium heat. Once our onions and veg are cooked nicely, there's only one more thing to do now. We're going to add in our rice. 3 cups of cold cooked rice. Like I said, I'm using a basmati rice, and cold rice from yesterday fries so much better than hot or warm rice. So we're going to stir this around for like maybe 4 to 5 minutes. Get it all mixed in beautifully. You've only gone and done it. Really simple, really cheap, and really tasty. Well, thanks for getting to the end of the video. Now, look, I just want to tell you about this other channel that I've got. It's called Simon Bellyful. It's me basically going out different places in the world where I get opportunity to go to. I'm eating, seeing people, meeting people, seeing what's happening around there. So if you're into that sort of thing, have a little look at it. See you later.